G'day everyone to a very wild morning here in Merimbula. I am meeting up with a subscriber. His name is Jason. He's from Canberra. And we're down at the wharf here in Merimbula. It's very windy and a chance of rain, but we're going to give it a go for a bit, see if we can get onto anything. Well, the first fish caught this morning, and I don't even know what that is. Yeah. So there you go. Something?
Something, yeah.
It's cool looking. Break. There we go. Jason's on another one of those little yeah, they are cool looking.
Yeah, they're nice looking fish.
There you go.
Oh.
Back he goes. It is just wild down there. Well, I'm not having much luck with the little rod, so I'm going to try the bigger rod as well. Let's see if we can maybe catch something bigger. Getting plenty of bites, but everything's just little bait stealers. So we're going to give this one a go. See what happens. Oh, not what I wanted to catch. Speaking of the devil.
Oh my God!
Oh, that's not what we wanted. No, not what we wanted at all. This tangled up pretty good there too. So it's not a real big one. We'll see if we can get him undone. Well, I'm told to be very careful with them because they'll bite you good. There he goes. Thanks for that. There you go. Thank you. Yeah, I hear you. These two seagulls are not liking this little sea eagle over here at all. Oh, something else. Oh, little snapper.
Little snapper, yeah.
There we go. It's becoming the Jason fishing show. All right, that's 3. There we go. Yeah, I love the colors on them.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Yeah, gorgeous fish. Quick.
Maybe it was a snapper earlier.
This side. Oh, he's on something good, something hit and ran with the line. You got head shakes?
Oh, it's just, yeah, a little bit.
Okay. he got off. Oh, a little bit of excitement.
It was. Yeah, that really gets the joy going. That's a little bit further out. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to swap over to the other reel. It's a bit stronger light. That was exciting. That was really exciting. Yeah, the whole lot, man.
Oh, it took the whole thing. Yeah, it took the line. Okay. Oh, look. I got one as well.
Foul hook.
Yeah, he's foul hooked, all right. And he's very tiny. And he's not very happy. Oh, there we go. Just a little guy. So I'm in a little tangled mess, but Jason's onto something over here. Oh, another one. A little bit bigger.
Slightly bigger.
Yeah, that's all right.
It's not a keeper, but definitely took the bait. They're lovely looking fish, aren't
Yeah, they're gorgeous.
they? Yeah, a little snapper.
Yeah.
That's a paternoster, secret one.
Yeah.
Little
Okay.
beads.
Okay. So you just pretty long.
Yep,
Stay up.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, here's
The Jason fishing show continues. Oh, you got off right there.
sorry. No. Solid bite.
Well, back home and out of that wind. Oh, it was wild down there. And it made the fishing pretty difficult. But we caught a few things, so that was pretty nice. It was really nice meeting Jason. Nice man, and we're going to try and get out again before he heads back home to Canberra. Also like to say hi to Alex. He came over and said hello. Nice young man, and we had a little bit of a chat. And wishing him all the best as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, keep fishing.